In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox issue where voice data usage appears instead of voice chat after a recent app update. First, launch Roblox, navigate to the More page. Now, scroll down and head over to the option Settings. Now, open the option Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, select Communication. This is where voice chat used to be enabled. However, with the new Roblox update, the option has changed and now shows voice data usage instead. To fix this, exit the Roblox app and launch your device settings. Scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Roblox and launch it. Now, enable microphone for your Roblox app. After you do this, launch your Roblox app, launch any of the game. Click on the Roblox icon, go to Settings tab. Here, you'll be able to find the option of voice chat. Click on that and enable it. You'll see a confirmation that you are connected to voice chat. Keep in mind that voice chat is only available for users aged 13 or older, so make sure your account age is set correctly for the feature to work. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.